Hello, friends. For our next lesson, we're going to be doing a construction. So get out your straight edge and your compass, and here we go. So to do this construction, we begin with a line and then any point that's not on that line. So I'm going to label this point M. And so then I have to draw any 2 points on this line that are not on, or yeah, any 2 points. So MA, oh, this point T. Okay, now I'm going to make an angle out of this. So I'm going to draw a line, connect these 2 points, just like that. Okay, so now I drew line MA. Now here's the goal. In order to get two parallel lines, what I can do is if I can create an angle here that's congruent to this angle, those would be corresponding angles. And then the other side of this angle, that line should be parallel to this line, right? So I started with this line, then I drew this to get the angle, and now I'm going to get two congruent angles here. So I'm going to follow the procedure for drawing congruent angles. And so here is here's an arc. So you make an arc, put the point at the tip at A, draw arc like that. So now I'm going to do the same thing. Go to put the tip on point M and go, like, I don't know exactly how far I'm going, but I know that the line is going to be here, so I'm going at least that far. I can label these points if I want. Call this H, point E, call this point C, maybe. So now the next step in finding parallel or congruent angles is to measure this length here. Right, so little arc there, and then repeat that, but up here, like that. Arc. Call this point D, maybe. And now I draw a straight edge. I use the straight edge to draw a line connecting points M and D. Okay, and so because I know that this angle is congruent to this angle, right? Angle HAE is congruent to angle CMD. Those are corresponding angles. Therefore, I know that these two lines are parallel to each other. So that's how you use what we know, we've already done with constructions and stuff we know about proving lines parallel to do a construction where we begin with a line and a point not on the line, and then we draw a line through that point parallel to the other line. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.